In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a GIF in Rentry. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is you want to get your GIF and you want to get a direct link to that specific GIF. So if you have it like on your computer, maybe you've created it yourself, the easiest way to do this is just to go to a website like maybe postimages.org or something similar. And then in here, you could go and of course select your image and kind of paste it in here, and you can then get your direct link for your GIF. So I'm going to go and choose the image over here. I'm going to click on this butterfly, which is just a simple GIF, and then it's going to upload, and there we go. I now have my GIF over here. Now, what you have to do next, you want to go to direct link and you want to copy your direct link over here. Of course, there's many sites that do this. This is just one example I use, and then you can go back to your Rentry inside your text. You want to do an exclamation mark like this. Then you want to do square brackets inside which you want to basically describe your image. So this is optional. Of course, you can type in whatever. I'm just going to type in butterfly. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to end this square bracket, and then I'm going to do a round bracket. I'm going to paste in our direct link and then end it off like this. And if I now go to preview, as you can see, I now have our GIF in here. So that's how you can do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.